akuphi imali eningi kanjalo bese akuthengela nama-drugs bese you understand. So I got delivered from into eziningi shame ezinye zayo bengazi nokuthi ziya-exist emhlabeni sazi. So macedile lapha ke lo muntu ngicela ukutshela ukuthi ngiqokele epassagini yase 224 sengiphuma ngomnyango ngifonela escape phethe yonke into songesa angifuni nix angifuni mangifika endlini enye into erange bengiyibona endlini bengingafuni. I think I was so traumatized for 3 weeks yonke escape amana what is it talk now what is angifuni ukukhuluma ukuthi ngiboneni angifuni ukukhuluma.
Why like inyoka?
It was a snake because apparently namanye amantombazana ayekubo makubuza ikhala lewithanda mangathi uthanda iblack uba inyoka eblack mawuthi uthanda igreen ube inyoka egreen. You understand? Zibeziningi into ezina omunye ngongahamba naye yena Nkosi yami yazibona. So omunye ngahamba naye yena ubenzani ngathi wabulala umfazi wakhe.
Yeah.
So umfazi wakhe usasekhona endlini. So umfazi wakhe kathi ubethanda ukudance. So mafuna ukulala uthatha intombazane estradeni uyazi uqhokisa amakwayikwa whether inyawo lakhe alilingane emakwayikwa la uyo dance ubusuku bonke ubuya lamanyawo ujive udance ubusuku bonke yena lele ekseni khona umuntu avukayo awukhapha awumawuthi yahlala uzongathi uyaclapuwa nje uyazi ukuthi uclapuwa ubani ufuna ukuthi umani udance ubusuku bonke yo. And then omunye nje yena maka lo engakhona ukumsurvivor yena ngayibona fast lento yena uyenzani uthanda ukuhlala emuva so bambiza uvampire man yena. So mama nabhema lapha breather somehow. So mina ethenga imbheka fast ngathi ngabona amazinyo ngathi ayanyamala futhi yo from there ngabiza uthi ngathi mina I don't want to stay with this guy. Athi ngathi he's very scary. If got long teeth uthi athi what did you see the kere unalo my friend you are high go sleep kere high maka kiboni te kiboni
try nwenzani kuvampire.
So yena uvela yeah and then bese angazi mina ngisomba bathi mina ngabona into enjalo and then I disappeared. So omunye futhi ujilo ngame experience ngobuloyi kakhulu ose Captain Park yena ulono kana bambiza ubani lo baba uJohn. UJohn wathuba loya hayi lo wabana lo bathi uji bayathakatha lo bethakatha ngempela loya loya endlini yakhe kube ne isandla zemfene like a monkey hand that was sitting like this ubeka irock le iqhuzu lapha ya ubengana umuntu etshontshayo angena amaphoyisa sihlele so kune couch eziso like ayeziso but sihlele so amaphoyisa amabangena eminyango obviously bazibona angazi mina amaphoyisa bange thina sabawuzwa bana basizwe bangena amaphoyisa abuzo ayeme la duze nathi ambuza ukuthi where are you girls athi no they are on the street abatha uphethe pipe ufihlile uthukile nokuthuka ukuthi abaziboni athi uji hamba uphuma uyeme kule khona le Shoprite uzothola ismoking client mawuphuma ngempela uya kule khona le uzosthola ismoking client and hayi umuntu obhema imali encane a million like imali nje.
Athatha manager.
Yo that's the two that I expressed nobuthakathi nabo.
Ngiqinisa ukuthi phethe ngempela la.
No, it's not all of them. Escape wasn't that big. He was just normal. No Casey. Yeah. Lo bephethe kakhulu Prince lo wami oqala lo yawo ejilo lo wangilo into the prostitution. Yeah yena ubelimele lo yabe bengakhona.
Phela sinyeni.
Bengibamba soma sibengangeni yonke nawo.
Phela lesizithwa Nigerian kanti nawo lethi believe nje ufana nabantu abantu abafana.
Yeah yo bakhona bona shini yena lo ya Prince ubeyiphethe shini.
No, siyabonga isikhathi sakho uzovela nje to share your story and your journey. Siyathemba ukuthi maybe
uncle can't walk, you know, so she can do whatever she wants, and because she was a bully, so she will like kind of like threaten my stepmom, like my uncle's wife. Naye if athi uyakhuluma then she'll start telling her ukuthi uzoklap ungakhulumi next stuff like that. So that day she chased me with a knife, so I managed to escape. I ran because she started like she was saying things like she's dying, so she can't leave me in this world. So apparently it's not first time my mom tried to take my life. One of my aunts from a valley, she told me one day, when I was 6 months old, my mom also tried to take my life as well because bamthola angibeke couchini, and then she took like a caution and she stepped on it, trying to suffocate me. So my aunt walked in and she took me, and then that's when she couldn't take my life as well. So basically it's like twice my mom tried to take my life. So after my mom passed 2002, and I was introduced to prostitution, okay, this is a way to survive since ekhaya bangakufuni, and then you need to live at the friend's place. Then you cannot expect ukuthi abangani bakufeed, dressed you, bath you, izinto ezinjalo. So this is how you're gonna do it. We go to the club, you get a man. Umuntu mafuna ukuhamba nawe ebusuku, umtshela ukuthi okay, uzongipha malini, niyakhulumisana, and then that's how then I started prostitution.
Uhlala kamngani nakho?
Yes, I was staying by a friend's place that time.
Umngani wakho uqala kanjani ukubona ukuthi naye uyasebenza?
So umngani wami yena bengayazi ukuthi uyasebenza at that time ngoba umuntu lo besithanda ukuya ema-clubini kuphela, and then yena ahambe nomuntu abuye aphethe imali kuseni. Then mina bengizohamba nomuntu nje angidle nje for free, ngibuye lento ngizitshela ukuthi i-boyfriend, you understand, intonyana ezinjalo. So umngani wangifundisa athi wena udome yo, umane olala namadoda bangakuphi nix, udlani, ugezani. We understand, nami ngiyakhathala, I can't be busy ukuphala izinto le. Now you need to do something, you understand. So then that's when I started to this is how we're doing it. Then I started doing it that way as well. So from there I moved to Paris, ngoba ngiyaze, like they know me at Paris, I grew up there, so it was like kind of like not okay ukuthi ngiyenze lento le.